Yeah, the lights are on. Can you give brother a car? Let's share. Get a car. Where's your car?
Here.
Aiden, give brother a car. Oh, you're not going to share with him anymore? See, he doesn't want that truck. He wants a car.
Check.
Can you give him a car? There we go. Thank you.
A dog. Be like duck. Like a duck.
Doc, yep. There, that's what brother wanted. He wanted a big car like Aiden. Yeah. Go drive him. Levi, drive your cars. Hey, no throwing. Can you give it back to him, please? He didn't mean to throw it at you. Aiden, give it back to brother. Okay, King is fine. Thank you. In. In. Can you take him out? Good job. Out. Good work.
Wait, am I throwing?
Your righty is throwing.
Whoa. Whoa. Cool.